Hello everyone. I hope you are doing good. This is Tutor Hera and it's time for grade 3 to 5 reading and writing class. Log into aplusstudents.com, open language arts section, then move to grade 3. I have selected one topic from grade 3 to teach you about writing. The chapter name is Sequence of Events. Put the sentences in order. So we'll begin with lesson number 1. Lesson number 1, identify time order words. Well, time order words can help show when things happen. There are certain words which help us show when things happen. Some time order words tell you that a sentence is about the past, present, or future. Well, it tells you when things happen. So these some time order words tell you that a sentence is about the past, present, or future. We should go to the beach today. So this word tells you about when things happen. Tomorrow we can stay home and watch a movie. Again, tomorrow is a time order word which shows when things happen. Emily recently learned how to sew. Again, recently the time order word which shows when things happen. Or it tells that a sentence is about past, present, or future. So this one recently tells about past. Soon she'll be able to make her own Halloween costumes. So she will be, it's future tense. So soon is that time order word which tells you that a sentence about future. So we know some time order words tell you that a sentence is about the past, present, or future. Some time order words put events in order. Means when you want to make a sequence of events, when you want to put events in an order, you use some time order words. Otherwise, how would you tell what happened first, what happened next? So the words like first, next, before, afterward, these are time order words and they put events in order. First, I got out of bed. I got dressed. Next. Obviously, this is the second thing that happened. So, first thing first, I got out of bed. I got dressed. Next. So, these two sentences are in order. Events are put in order actually. Andrew was studying in the library before his test. Afterward, he played basketball in the park. So afterward is something which happened later in the sequence of events. So words like first, next, before, afterward, these are time order words. So let's begin the test. Find the one time order word. People once thought the earth was flat. Once. This word, people once thought. Now look at the verb thought, it's the past tense. And the word once also hints at the past. So in time order words, this word shows when things happened, whether in past, present, or future. So once is a time order word which shows past tense. The next one, of the countries on our list, we will visit Egypt third. Now, if you look at it, third is the word, it's a time order word which puts things or events in order. So, third is that time order word because we are learning sequence of events. So, whenever you write something, you must know how to put the sequence in order and how to put things in a proper sequence using time order words. The city of Seaside is going to build a new airport soon. Now, which one is time order word? Going or soon? Very good. It's option two, soon, because it tells about future. So it's a time order word. Now the next sentence is Tommy will go to baseball practice tomorrow. Which word is a time order word? Go or tomorrow? So in this sentence, Tommy will, you can see tomorrow is the time order word which tells about future. Do you like to toast your bread before you make a sandwich? Now, which word is a time order word? If you'd give the answer, I'll explain it for you. I'll explain what does it show, whether it shows past, present, future, or sequence of events. Well, the time order word is before. Do you like to toast your bread before you make a sandwich? Means before something else, before another thing. So it shows sequence of events. Okay, the next one is yesterday Mr. Chan found his missing watch in the garage. Yesterday or watch? Which one is a time order word? Yes, it's option one. Yesterday. Yesterday is a time order word and it tells about, it shows past, past tense. No need to give your answer repeatedly, just one answer is enough. I heard that there will be a full moon tomorrow. Yes, I heard that there will be a full moon tomorrow. Now, which word is the time order word? You have to tell there or tomorrow. Yes. Somebody has answered. Biruk? Yes, it's option two, tomorrow, because it tells. I heard that there will be a full moon tomorrow. It talks about future. People once thought the earth was flat. People once thought the earth was flat. The word once, yes, the word once shows past, so it's a time order word. Joseph will go to baseball practice tomorrow. Which one is it? Will or tomorrow? Tomorrow, yes. Tomorrow shows time which is yet to come, future time. Joseph will go to baseball practice tomorrow. Of the countries on our list, we will visit Egypt third. Egypt third. Third shows sequence of events. So it's a time order word. This well, let's move to the next lesson. Put the sentences in order because we have to understand this one as well. Hmm. How do we put the sentences in order? Well, to tell a story or explain how to do something, sentences should go in an order that makes sense. What are the two reasons to put sentences in order? To tell a story or explain how to do something. Sentences should go in an order that tell about events in the order that they happen. They don't change it. So time order words and phrases make that order clear clearer. Which order? When writers talk about events, they usually write them in an order. We drove to Clarksville last weekend. Whom did we whom we got sorry, when we got there, we had breakfast with my grandparents. So last weekend, time order word. When we got there, phrase, we decided to catch an afternoon movie after we ate again, time order word. Sorry, phrase. The theater was crowded, but we still enjoyed the show. So these time order words and phrases, they tell about events in an order, in the order that they happen. To tell a story or explain how to do something, sentences should go in an order that makes sense. Okay? Now put the sentences in order. These are the sentences. Let's read them together. The second twin was born in the following year at 12:02 a.m. on January 1, 2016. A woman gave That was the first sentence because these are not in order, so let's read them. A woman gave birth to twins in San Diego, but the babies were born in different years. The first twin was born at 11:59 p.m. on December 31, 2015. Now, what is the correct order? The first one, the second twin was born in the following year at 12:02, or this and this, or the second option. A woman gave birth to twins in San Diego. This should go first. The first twin was born at this time on December 31st. The second twin was born in the following year as August at 12:02 a.m. on January 1, 2016. So this second option, this sequence is correct because first we'll write a woman gave birth to twins. Then we'll write the first twin was born at this time. And then we'll write the time of the arrival of second twin. So this makes sense. This is the correct sequence of events. The next sentences are: she started doing gymnastics in 1996 when she was just 2 years old. Ali Reisman is a world class gymnast. 16 years later, in 2012, She won 3 medals at the Summer Olympics. So there are two options, this one or this one. Which option is correct? First or second? Well, if you look at the second option, you'll write the name of this person first. Ella Risman is a world class gymnast. Then she started doing gymnastics in 1996 because obviously we'll mention that event which happened first. Then 16 years later in 2012, she won 3 medals at the Summer Olympics. Okay, let's read these words. Simon says the rain turned to snow by bedtime. By noon, it was much colder outside. The day started with cold, rainy weather. Now, two options. Select which one is correct. Which one is the correct order or sequence of events? Yes, it's the first answer. Very good. The day started with cold, rainy weather. By noon, it was much colder outside. The rain turned to snow by bedtime. And we have another set of sentences. I had a swimming lesson in the morning. When I woke up, I knew I had a busy day ahead of me. I also had a softball game in the afternoon. Now look at both options. Tell me which sequence of events is correct. And look at the time order words as well. They might help you. Okay, so look at this first option. When I woke up, I knew I had a busy day ahead of me. I had a swimming lesson in the morning. Obviously, morning comes before afternoon, so this comes before the third one. And I also had a softball game in the afternoon. So this is the exact sequence of events. As usual, the block party will start with games and contests for the children. After those end, we'll have lunch at the big picnic tables in the street. This year, our neighborhood is having our block party in May. Now put them in order. First or second. Now look at this first option. This year, our neighborhood is having our block party in May. So this year is that time order word which tells us that this should come first. As usual, the block party will start with games and contests for the children. After those end, means after those games end, we'll have lunch at the big picnic tables in the street. So this seems the correct sequence of events. Yesterday, our cat ran up a tree. He grabbed a ladder and got the cat down a few minutes later. As soon as I saw it, I quickly called my father. This is not the order, the correct order. Now put them in order. First one or second one? So, the first option, yesterday our cat ran up a tree. As soon as I saw it, I quickly called my father. He grabbed a ladder and got the cat down a tree, down a few minutes later. So, this is the correct sequence of events. Okay, kids, I hope you understand how we put the sentences in order. Just look at time order words and keep the sequence in mind. With this, we are going to wrap up the class. I'll see you again in this week with another lesson. Till then, have a great